A Veracity update, okay? First thing I want to say is I set up a Discord, okay? The Discord will be in the description of the video. If you would please go over there and sign up. I've had a lot of people asking for a Discord, so go over there. We can help each other out with moves, questions, anything like that. So I just set that up literally an hour ago. I'll put a link in the description of the video so you can go over there and sign up for it. And that's open to anybody that is a subscriber of the channel. You can go over there and sign up. Okay. All right. Let's take a look here. First off, this is on a weekly. All right. This is a look at Veracity. All right. Number one, we came up and hit this 702 right on the head. Okay. Right up here at 0.009. 0.00919. Okay, any rally up, we have to take that 702 out. That is a very, very, very crucial area. All right, we have some volume coming in on the weekly. This past week, 6.3 billion. The last week before that, 6 billion. All right, so that is very good to see. All right, now let's take a look at some RSIs and see what's going on here with this thing. Okay, first off, let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly is pulling down. All right. Now the regular RSI is flattening off. It's showing a tendency to curve up. Okay. The monthly is still bullish at 96 and at 85. You got your daily just coming down. It's at a 60 and a 75. It's actually bearish. All right. You got your 12-hour bearish, 27 and a 39. Your 8-hour is just about reset. Okay, that's about at the bottom, and your 4-hour is at the bottom. Okay, so not looking. Quite honestly, I would probably be looking for maybe a pullback here. Okay, you can see a resistance line right down through here that this thing would have to break out of for any move up. All right, right through here. Right like that there, okay? So for any breakup, yeah, it's going to have to break above that point 00737. All right, that big one that we battled here for so long, okay? We did get above that, and then we got rejected up here at that point 00918. That was the rejection point there, okay? Now, let's take a look at a few other things here, okay? Let's get this off here. Now, if this does pull down, where could this possible bottom come in? If it does pull down any further, okay. First off, let's take and put a fib on here. Go for a swing low or a swing high. All right. If this thing is going to bounce, right there is the place that it's going to have to do it. Okay. Let me unlock this. Because you can see the 786, that is going to be a very, very pivotal area. Okay, this point 00651, you're going to want to see it hold that. Okay, it cannot lose that. If it loses that, it's going to go deeper. Okay, just a fact. I hate to say it, but this is the line in the sand right there. Okay, has to hold that level. All right, if it doesn't. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news. I hate giving bad news at any time, but sometimes you just have pullbacks in this market. That's just how it goes. All right, so any kind of pullback from here, you can be looking at a B, and a C leg down here. All right, which would pull this thing back down, way back down here to 0.0047. All right, which obviously we don't want to see that. Okay, so we need to hold the line here where we're at. Okay, that would be the like I said, that's the line in the sand there. We don't want to lose that because then that would end up being a big ABC out of there. Hitting this 702. We need to break this level, guys. All right, 0.009208, 929. .00929, the 702, regardless of anything, it has to take this level out to go higher. If it doesn't take that level out, then it's going to correct lower. All right, especially with this weekly RSI coming down, the daily correcting, the 12-hour correcting. Okay, it's just a fact. Sometimes you have corrections, and that's just the way it works out in crypto. Now, one major area for this thing to take out and regain would be this .00734. That would be a first step. Okay, obviously that would be the first step in this thing to getting back on track. But definitely want to take that bigger area out that we talked about here, because, like I said, this overall move, this on the daily, this goes back to oh geez, what is this? On the daily, holy cow, this whole move goes from February 10th of 2023. This whole move came back up to the 702, which, if you remember, if you go back in my videos, I said to expect to come up to this 618 or 702, and that's going to tell the story of this whole move. All right, we need to break this area. That's the bottom line. .00929. If we break that, this thing is going to go a lot higher. If we do not break this zone, look for a pullback. That's the bottom line. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will be back to you very soon. We'll see what kind of price action comes out of here, and we'll keep a very, very close eye on this, okay? But that's just plain and simple. That breaks it down the way it is. .00929, we need to see a break of that, all right? The RSIs are pulling down, kind of expecting a pullback here. This pullback could end up coming down, on the daily. If we take it from here, from the swing low to the swing high, it has hit the 618 here, all right, but down here at the 702 or 786, this would be your normal area for a pullback, for this type of pullback right here, okay? Anywhere in this zone, and I'm going to leave this on this video right here, okay? All right, that daily, we are up in this range, but could pull back down into this range before we bounce again here. All right, so keep an eye on those areas. .00488, that could mark a bottom. That would be the 786 fib. This is on a daily, okay? .00488. All right, I would expect this thing possibly to zigzag down to here, this area, and then rip out of here. Okay, so that's what I'm watching for at Veracity right now. Too many RSIs pulling down. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, everybody.